Hello everyone, this is my review of the PowerXL grill air fryer. It's a pretty big air fryer. You have a knob here where you can adjust your settings to slow cook, steam, grill, and a number of settings. Let's open her up here. You can see it's very big, deep inside pan. You have this grilling pan here. See how deep inside here is with my hand filling up inside here. I like this because you can put a lot of food in here that can feed a whole family of like 4 or 5 people. And it's easy to clean because you can take that pan out and put it in the dishwasher or wash in the sink. I'm going to air fry some chicken nuggets so y'all can see how it works. You turn the dial here to get your setting that you want. I'm going to do air fry. Then I'm going to adjust the temperature down to about 300. Then over on the left, you will be able to adjust the time. I'm going to set this to about 11 minutes once I get over there. Push that there, get it down to about 11 minutes. Then start frying and show you how it turns out once it's done. Okay, now my nuggets are finished cooking. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Nice and golden brown and crispy. Definitely be enjoying these. I hope this review of the PowerXL air fryer grill helps. Thanks for watching.